Watch out, Reese.
She just scared me when she came out when you were with her mouth open.
Yeah, she's just trying to get that
Look
ball.
at her go.
Oh. Oh. Get it, Wilma, get it. Uh-oh, where'd it go?
Hey, Sammy. There you go. I couldn't see her.
Oh, you gotta take a rest.
Like she's doing some hand jive.
Let's eat it now. We can remember. Let's
Okay,
eat
no more.
Remember?
Get it. Get it, Wilma.
Get it.
Get it. There.
Get it. Oh.
Now I know not to pick up that ball.
Get it, Wilma. Oh, oh. Hey, Reese, watch out, baby.
Oh, Sammy, I can't see, baby.
Woo.
Thank you for moving.
Go try to get it, baby.
Get it, Wilma.
Hey, throw that to your mom.
Wow. You done with that, Wilma? Are you out of breath?
I think she wore herself out.
Just throw it. Throw it! Throw it in the lake!
Whoa! Oh! She tied herself up.
She just ate herself.
Oh, she's got it around her leg, doesn't she?
Get it? What are you going to do with it, Wilma?
Just
Throw it in the lake! Throw it!
she's tired of patting it. No more patty cake. She's
Oh, all right. We got to get back, bud. You haven't played with the tennis ball back there in a long time.
Something good for. Who wants to see
Wilma, get it.
berry? Throw it!
Not too far, honey, because she won't be able to get it.
And who wants this treasure? Mom? Here! Here, Mom.
Oh, we just put it on the log, honey. I'm not carrying it. You want it? You gotta carry it, baby.